In this tutorial, we will show you how to view individual employee benefits. To begin, go to the Employees tab. Click the View icon for the employee whose benefits you wish to view. Once the file is open, click on the Benefit Coverage tab. You will be shown the list of each benefit the employee is enrolled for. The volume, also known as the benefit amount, will be shown here. For benefits without a lump sum or benefit amount, the family status will be displayed, as is shown for dental, for example. The monthly premium for each benefit, as well as the total, will also be displayed. Because we are in a demo account, there are no premiums displayed, but they will be available in your own company's profile. The final data displayed is the waiver status of each benefit. For example, if an employee has alternate extended health or dental coverage, they may choose to waive coverage here. Or if the employee is on a work visa and is not eligible for LTD coverage, it would show as waived here. If needed, there is an option to print this page as well. That completes the Viewing Individual Employee Benefits Nomad tutorial. Thanks for watching.